Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to add subtitles in CapCut. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up CapCut, tap on New Project, and import your video. Now, you have two options. You can either have subtitles for this specific video with its original audio, or you can add a separate audio track. Now, let's add subtitles. Tap on Text, and scroll over. Here, you have a couple of options. You can choose Auto Lyrics, which extracts lyrics from the music, or Auto Captions, aka Subtitles. We want subtitles for spoken content, so let's select Auto Captions. At the top, choose the sound source from the video, select the language, in this case, English, and pick a template. I'll go with this one. Hit Start, and CapCut will analyze the video to automatically generate captions. As you can see, it animates the text based on what's being said in the video. Pretty cool, right? Hello, everyone. And welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to get a public profile on Snapchat. And there you have it. Adding subtitles in CapCut is that simple. It's a fantastic way to enhance your videos and make them more accessible. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.